How to remove videos from Watch Later on YouTube. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open YouTube in your web browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. If you're on the YouTube homepage, look at the left sidebar and click Watch Later. If you're currently watching a video and don't see the sidebar, click the three-line menu in the top left corner to expand it. Then select Watch Later from the menu. You'll now see all the videos you've saved to watch later. To remove a video, hover your mouse over it and click the three-dot menu next to the video. From the menu that appears, select Remove from Watch Later. The video will be removed from your Watch Later playlist immediately. Repeat these steps for any other videos you'd like to remove. That's it. You've successfully removed videos from your YouTube Watch Later list. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.